In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a survey on SurveyMonkey. Now, the first thing you have to do here on your Home tab, you'll be able to see your surveys. I just have a simple sample sports survey over here, and it's still a draft. So if you'd like to send it, click on this Send Survey button next to your survey you'd like to send. It's going to take you to this Collect Responses tab over here, and then to actually send it, you could just go ahead and click on the copy button, and then just basically send it to somebody however you want, and whenever they click on that link, this is what they're going to see. So it's the SurveyMonkey basically survey. Okay, now of course you could also embed it onto your website, share it as a link, etc. So there's a bunch of different things over here, but of course, for instance, you could just copy this and send it to anybody you want. You could also go here and you could of course do more with a paid plan. You could get more features, but for most times you'll be just able to copy it and send it to whoever you want. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.